making my favorite Guyanese comfort food on this snowy day.
Well, hello there and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some good old Guyanese Metemgee. It is absolutely delicious and ridiculously easy. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Here I have some onions, celery, and some garlic, and of course my amazing green seasoning and some carrots. I sauteed this for about a minute before I add my Eddoes and sweet potatoes. Give this a good toss for about 2.5 minutes. Then it smells so good already. I'm going in with my stock first. Or you can add plain water or just pure coconut milk. Now I'm going to add my coconut milk, and I'm using 1 box of unsweetened coconut milk. If you need this richer, you can just add pure coconut milk. So since it is snowing, I decided to make my favorite comfort food, which I absolutely love. And I'm sure lots of Guyanese love this as well. Then I'm going in with some plantains, which I slice. You can use green. Mine is a little bit turned, not too ripe. Flavor the broth to your likeness and allow this to cook. Now when the provisions or the Eddoes in plantain and sweet potatoes are nice and tender, you're going to remove from pot. The reason I'm removing is because I'm not using a really big pot, so I need room to add my Duff. Alright, so after removing, I am going to mix my Duff, my flour. Now to make this Duff, as you guys know, it's on the website. I'll leave the link there. Absolutely easy to make. The key to making or do not have any fall Duff is not to peek. All right, do not peek. Give it 12 minutes, and as soon as it, hit the top, it's more than likely done, and you can just take it out. So I'm not making my traditional big Duff. I'm making them kind of small, as my son requested. But the traditional way, you make them nice and long. As I said, I'll leave the link in the description box. Now you're gonna put that in that rich, thick, creamy coconut broth. And cover for about 12 minutes. All right, and this is what it's going to look like when it's done. Remove from pot, because if you leave it in the boiling broth, it's going to continue cooking and definitely fall. So no fall Duff over here unless you love fall Duff, okay? Then after you remove, you're going to re-add your provisions. And that is your plantains, your sweet potato, Eddo, yuca, if you do have them. Oh, this is so amazingly delicious. So I could have kept it here, but I just put it in my Pyrex juice, just a presentation. Yeah. So let's pour that out. Then I just added my Duff on top, add some celery, color, and it's done. Absolutely amazing. You guys can make this. It is super delicious. And I'll show you what my Duff looks like. Nice and fluffy and spongy. You can just soak up that beautiful broth. So good. So thank you guys again for spending the time with me today. If you guys are new, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. be kind to yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I see you all on the next video. So forgive me here because I was trying to hold the camera with one hand and try to cut this with one. So yep, that's it, nice and fluffy. So yes guys, go make this and enjoy. Bye bye now.